rainbow, red and green with a sunny glow. Leaves around me swaying light, waiting for the picking time just right.
Farmer comes with baskets wide, reaches up from side to side, picks each apple big and round, lays us gently on the ground.
Bump and roll, we're on our way. In the truck we go today, through the fields and down the road, off to the factory big and bold.
At the factory water streams, washing apples fresh and clean. Tumble, bubble, shiny bright, already now pure and light.
Squeeze and squeeze, out comes juice with such sweet ease. Golden rivers flow so fine, into bottles all in line.
Packed in boxes stacked up high, off to stores where people buy. On the shelf we sit and wait, juice in bottles looking great.
Little hands reach up to take a sip of juice, a tasty break. Smiles and giggles, yum and cheer, apple juice is finally here. From the tree to the truck, then factory bright, washed, pressed, bottled, packed up tight. All for you, so fresh and sweet, an apple's journey now complete.